Hello everybody, I hope you're all fine. Today we're gonna explain the grammar lesson of Unit 12. You can open your booklet pages 75, 76, 77, 78 and 79. Mrs. Nada Ali is talking. Okay, the title of our grammar lesson today is Degrees of Comparison. So can you guess what is the lesson about? Great job. From the word comparison here, I mean that I'm comparing between or among nouns. Okay, so do you remember the two kinds of nouns we have? Yes, there are countable nouns and uncountable nouns. For the countable nouns, jr.5, I mean nouns I can count, like tables, chairs, or people. For the uncountable nouns, I mean the singular noun. I deal with them as a singular noun, like water, rice, and meat. Okay, then let's look at the word degrees. So we have finished the word comparison. Let's go to the word degrees. Degrees means levels, amount, or extent. So for the word degrees, we have two kinds of degrees. We have ascending degrees from the smallest until the biggest, and we have descending degree from the biggest to the lowest or to the smallest. Again, degrees, I mean levels, amounts, or extent, going ascending or descending. Okay, for the countable nouns, I have two kinds of quantities. I have large quantities and small quantities. For large quantities in both countable or uncountable nouns, I go ascending from the smallest till the biggest, from the smallest till the biggest. Let's go to this degree. It's the lowest degree, many. The middle degree is more. The most means the highest degree. And now it's the opposite way, so I mean descending. Small quantities, few, fewer, the fewest. Again, for the countable nouns, I have large quantities going ascending, great. Many, more, the most. Small quantities, I mean descending. So it's the opposite way. Few, fewer, the fewest. What about the uncountable nouns? How many quantities do we have? We have two kinds of quantities, large quantities and small quantities. For large quantities, the same, I'm going ascending. What about the small quantities? I'm going descending, the opposite way. So for large quantities, much, more, the most. For small quantities, little, less, the least. Let's have some examples. For the countable nouns, there are many cars on the road, so it's the lowest degree. There were more cars on the road yesterday, so it's the middle degree. Last weekend, there were the most cars on the road. It's the highest degree ever, going ascending. Okay, let's go to the other one, to the small quantities. There are few people in the party. There are fewer people on the bus. I'm going descending. I'm going the opposite way, from higher to lower. We have got the fewest people in the market today, so it's the lowest degree ever. Okay, let's go to some examples for the uncountable nouns. There is much salt in the soap. There is more rain today than yesterday, going ascending, great. We have got the most snow this year. Could you provide me with more examples using the following nouns? Grass. So I can say, there is little grass in the garden. Okay, I'm describing. It's a little grass. Students. This school has got the fewest students. I mean number of students. So it's the lowest degree ever. For the countable nouns. Okay, let's start here choosing the correct answer. Number 1, it's cloudy. There is much, little, least sunshine today.